Hello friends, in this video I will teach you that how we can add drop shadow in Adobe Illustrator. So we will create a new document for drop shadow, and let me explain you can add this drop shadow, you can apply drop shadow to your text, even to vectors like shapes, and even to images you can apply. So if you type a text here, like if I write my name, okay, and if we increase the size, now if you click on effect and then click on stylize and drop shadow, so you can see the drop shadow is here. You can change the mode like normal, and color you can also change, like it's black now, so you can change it to red for example, or pink, or like green if you want to apply. See, if you uncheck the preview and if you change something like this orange, and you can see preview, like it should be check, okay, and opacity, like 70%, or you can make like for example this one 70 and 25%, you can see now it's less, so like 90%, okay. X offset, horizontal offset you can control, you can see, and same thing vertical you can control, and blur also you can add in this shadow, and see, like 7 and 7, and now you can see blur is too much. If I will decrease the blur, it's like this. If you want to apply, just click OK. Same if you create a shape and if you want to apply, just click on effect, stylize and drop shadow, and same thing you can see here. X offset if you want to increase, Y offset if you want to increase, opacity if you want to make like this, and the color you can also control. Same thing, like if you place any image like this and then click on effect and stylize drop shadow, so you can see same thing you can also apply to that image. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.